Hi, welcome to the Free Power Company's new Eco Silent Portable Generator. What we're doing is testing with the gauge here exactly what it's running at 12.42, and we're going to run and recharge that vehicle not only off your solar panel, our portable system, but we're going to be charging the battery that runs the inverter from the car, cigarette lighter. We're going to plug it into here, and away we go. Now it was 12.4. It was 12.46 to start with.
Correct.
And what we've got is a situation here where the solar panels in the daylight can recharge the batteries. You've also got the battery in here, and then you can have an extension battery running off the same plug if you like. So this runs off the wall to recharge it off a 3-pin. You can recharge it off your car, or you can recharge it, as we said, off solar. So it's an incredible device. What do you think, mate? This is your unit that you've just purchased. Here it is here running off the cigarette lighter now. What was it? What was it before? What did it start at?
12.44.
And what did it start at before we charged? 12.1?
12.13.
12.13, and it's been running for 3 or 4 or 5 minutes maximum. And it's already come up considerable amount, correct? So a little bit more, and it's up to 13 volts, and it's only a 12-volt battery. So I think we might be able to get about 13 and a half all up, which will completely fully recharge the battery in less than the time you take your kids to school, for mum taking the kids to school, or for you driving backwards and forwards to work. Now, how long have we known each other? A week, 2 weeks?
Yep,
2
2
weeks.
weeks.
You never seen me before, never met me before. Is this real?
It's real. I've never seen anything like it.
What? Yeah, don't take it off him, because he's the man that's going to be the one that's where you can tell whether he's bullshitting or not, excuse the expression. And we can run that live because this is real. You've had this for a couple of weeks, you've been testing it. What do you think of the concept? You've been in the solar industry all your life, is that right?
I think the concept's plausible, effective.
Tell
It's
me.
good, very good. I've never seen anything like it, so it's very hard to compare. There is nothing like it.
With the solar panel industry, how long were you involved in that?
2.5 years.
And you sold a lot of people the panels to the roof, correct?
Correct.
What was the major problem with them if you had a cloudy day or a blackout?
Probably no problem. It's all good, but this is an extension of that. On the solar is, because of its buyback system, you can sell power to the grid because you can't store it. This will store it.
So if you had a blackout,
If you had a blackout,
and you had $100,000 worth of panels on your roof, you had the biggest panel system in the
it
world.
still won't help.
It won't help if you've got a cloudy day or in the evening during the blackout, correct?
Correct.
So if you had one of these and you had an extra battery that you could plug in, you could run. You still watch your grand finals and your Super Bowls and everything else you need to.
Anywhere.
Anywhere, anytime.
That's
and
the
it's
thing.
portable.
Anywhere.
It'll run. What did you see running just now off this one? Everything.
Two fans, 2 lights, TV, drill, sander,
All at once.
all at once.
And it's still going now, correct?
Correct.
In the other model.
Correct.
So guys, here it is. That's the smallest model we've got. It's a 6 to 1200 watt portable. It's very light. It's manoeuvrable with your fingers, your hands, and you can just pick it up with one finger. So it's, I think it's the answer to a lot of people's boating, fishing, camping, emergency backup.
Definitely recreational with emergency backup.
And it's the only 600 watt, this size, in this configuration in the entire world. And we've got it. So make sure you keep an eye on our company, because we're, I think we're going places. So the audience, what you just did, agreed to a minute ago.
I can't wait to invest my time and money in a situation like this. I think it's great.
Mate, welcome aboard, because that pen that he's got in his hand was just the side of the transfer to buy some stock. So, mate, thanks for coming aboard.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you very much. See you next time.